Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Nude preset using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.14. Contrast to -17. Highlights to -53. Whites to +7. Blacks to +5. Next go to the color panel. Temp to +4. Tint to -5. Go to color mix. First go to red. Hue to +21. Saturation to +3. Luminance to -22. Next go to orange. Hue to -12. Saturation to -23. Luminance to -24. Go to yellow. Hue to -42. Saturation to -58. Luminance to -29. Go to green. Hue to -90. Next go to light blue. Hue to -57. Go to dark blue. Hue to -25. Saturation to -31. Go to purple. Hue to -15. Go to pink. Hue to -12. And done. Next go to effect panel. Texture to +7. Clarity to +30. Go to split toning. Highlights, H2, 204, and S2, 23. shadows, H2, 2, and S2, 8. Done. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.